Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of EverColor Everglow Carex, a stunning and easy care ornamental grass that brings year-round interest to any garden. With its warm copper orange hues in fall and winter, this grass is perfect for adding color and texture to landscapes, borders, and containers. Did you know that EverColor Everglow Carex is an evergreen sedge, meaning it keeps its color and structure all year round? Unlike many grasses that die back in winter, this one continues to provide a vibrant splash of orange, green, and gold throughout the seasons, making it a great choice for year-round visual interests. Everglow Carex is native to Japan. It was bred as a part of the EverColor series, which focuses on creating low-maintenance, colorful, and compact ornamental grasses. Its ability to thrive in various conditions has made it a favorite in modern landscapes, urban gardens, and container arrangements worldwide. This clump-forming sedge grows to about 12 to 18 inches tall and wide, making it a compact yet striking addition to any plant scheme. Its arching, narrow leaves emerge as bright green with creamy margins, gradually turning warm orange or copper in fall and winter. This change in color makes it a dynamic multi-seasonal plant that adds interest to garden beds and borders. Everglow Carex is an incredibly versatile plant that thrives in partial shade to full sun, prefers moist, well-drained soil, but is adaptable to various conditions, including dry shade once established. This sedge is hardy in USDA zones 5 through 9, meaning it can handle mild frost and varying temperatures with ease. To keep it looking its best, occasional trimming of dead foliage and a layer of mulch in dry periods can help maintain moisture. Everglow Carex is a fantastic companion plant, pairing well with hostas, ferns, corbels, and helleborus in shaded gardens. In sunnier spots, it complements coneflowers, sedums, and dwarf ornamental grasses. Its fine texture contrasts beautifully with large leaf perennials, and it works well as a border edging, mass planting, or in mixed containers. This semi-evergreen sedge maintains its form and color throughout the year, making it an excellent structural element in the garden. It's also deer and rabbit resistant, making it a great choice for wildlife-heavy areas. Another unique trait, it can handle coastal conditions, meaning it's tolerant of salty air and sandy soils, perfect for gardens near the coast. And that's everything you need to know about EverColor Everglow Carex. With its low maintenance care, year-round color, and versatility, it's a must-have for anyone looking to add texture and warmth to their garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant care tips and gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.